Hello, students and parents and anyone else interested in AP statistics for our 2021-22 school year. My name is Miss Aidt. This is my 16th year teaching at the high school. I have two kids, both graduated, and welcome to the class. Let me tell you a little bit about it. So I am going to take you to our class's Google Classroom page. That is where most everything that you'll want to see is located. Here is the page for sixth period. We also have a third period class, which is identical. So here's third periods, but they're exactly the same. And if you look at this first post, it has all of the things that you really need to start the class. So this is the book that we use, CPM. Here's the pin to get that book. Here is AP Classroom. This is something that we use to help us get familiar with how the College Board does things before the AP exam. And then here's our syllabus, which I'll go over in a second. A few other things on our Google Classroom, just while we're here. Here are some recordings of the classes in case you're absent or miss something in class, you want to go back and watch. And then here down at the bottom are all of the homework solutions for the chapter. So you're definitely going to want to make sure to access this Google Classroom often. Let's go to the syllabus very quickly. And here's my contact info first. As for the supplies, the most important thing is the graphing calculator. And I think almost all of the students have them by this point. I am really, really good at maneuvering the TI-84 series calculator. And anything other than that, I'm not super great at. But kids seem to YouTube and do okay with other types of calculators. And so this is important. We base the grades 70% on tests, 30% on homework. And before COVID, it was 80-20, but we felt like we needed to give the kids a break this year because we're just coming back to school. Very important that they know they can make a 3x5 note card for each test during the first semester and not during the second semester, because by that point, we will have enough information for this formula sheet to be useful on their tests. They don't really know enough first semester for that to be super useful, but second semester it will be. My goal for the class is to prepare students for the exam. And I really want to let you know that this AP test is doable and passable. We have a very good passing rate. And so make this one of the tests that you sign up for and do. Good news for the kids, there's no final exams for this class, so they love that. Super important to me is academic integrity. I think that is probably the most important thing that I will say in this whole video. You know, it's just one of those things that we put aside during COVID, but really, really want to make sure that the kids understand what cheating is, that they're not helping their friends when their friends copy or they copy off of their friends. They're really hurting them. And so that's something that we need to kind of stress again, well, now that we're back together. And the other thing that I want to mention is that each chapter has an assignment sheet, and the assignments are given on that sheet. So let me see if I can bring that up for you here. There it is. So every student will get one of these assignment sheets at the beginning of the chapter. And so Each one has a date. Each assignment is based on the day. So this is today. I'm recording this on the 30th. And this column is what we will do for classwork. This is worth 5 points. And if they complete it, I'll put a little stamp here the following day. And then this is the homework set of problems. The homework is always due the next time they see me. So most of the time it's the next day. And I do accept late work. I accept late work for 60% of its original value. So most of the time it's a 3 out of 5, all the way until the day of that chapter test. So they have a lot of opportunity to do those assignments if they did not do them that night. I think that's everything I wanted to mention for AP Stats. This is my favorite class to teach. I'm super excited to be the stats teacher and super excited to have the kids back again this year. So thanks for watching.